Hello, welcome to Cloud Hill. Today we are talking music and how to make the perfect track length for your video in Premiere. Don't go anywhere. Music can be the bane of your video, not just finding it, but then trying to get it to fit to the right length. Now, there's a function coming to Premiere that's going to help you do this and help you fit the track perfectly to your video. Now, some of you may have come across this before in Adobe Audition, where you used to be able to send your music from Premiere to Audition and then you could remix it to a new length. Well, that function is now coming to Premiere and we're going to show you how to do it. On my timeline, I have a set of clips all lined up with some Natsoc audio on them as well. We have a quick play of some of it.
Face on Train takes you from a civilian to a trained soldier. Do you understand me? Yeah.
So I'm going to need to find about 25 seconds of music to cover this short edit. Now for us, we use Artlist, link in the description if you want to check it out yourself. Here we can find all our music needs to fit pretty much any sort of genre video that we're shooting. So if I pop into Artlist now, I go into the search and I'm going to type in war, as I'm doing quite a military program. And at the top here, we've got Futuristic War by Ian Post. Sounds pretty good. So I am going to download that now, pop it over into my project, so we can see it's here, and then I'm going to drag it onto my timeline underneath the other audio. I'm just going to drag the whole song on, and as you can see, the song is about a little over 1 minute long, and obviously my edit is only around 25 seconds. So how do we quickly change the length of this song to fit? So if you click on the song itself, and if you come over to your panel on the right hand side and look for essential sounds. Now if it's not there, pop up into your window at the top menu, scroll down until you find essential sounds, click on that, and then it will appear for you. So looking at the essential sounds panel, we've got a choice of what sort of audio we're going to be editing now. So dialogue, music, sound effects, or ambience. So we're going for music, so we want to edit this music track. So if I click on music, then straight away it'll switch over and you'll be given more options. Now we're looking for duration, as that's the bit that we want to adjust. So if we hit the checkbox for duration, and it'll now give us an option to change. So you can see target duration. Now this is the length that we want the song to be. So if I come to the end of my video track, I can see it's around 23 seconds. And then if I look at the end of the music here, I can see how it tails off. So now I really want that beat to be right at the end as the screen goes black. So knowing that that's around 23 seconds, I'm going to drag using click shift and adjust this duration down to 25 seconds. Now you notice it does say plus or minus 5 seconds, so it will move it around slightly, and then it tells you what the remix duration is at the end. So it actually brought it to 32 seconds. Now let's see how this lines up with my video. Just zoom in a bit there. So you can see these little squiggly lines on the audio track. This is where it has made the joins, but you saw how quick and simple and quick and easy it did it. So you can see here on the let me just widen the audio out for you. So you can see here on the audio, this is the beat that I want to finish on, and you can see that it actually comes a little bit early. So I want to time the music so that the beat finishes as the screen goes black and then the music just tails out. And then see what that gives us. 26 seconds, remixes it to about 32 seconds. And how does that work out for us? No, so we need it to be a little bit longer than that. So let's bring it up to 28. So that's adjusted the remix to 34 seconds. That times it pretty well with the end of the music at the end of the video, and then it just tails off. So let's have a look at that back from start to finish then. So we've got 2 edits within the music itself.
Face on train takes you from a civilian to a trained soldier. Do you want to stop it? Let's go, bro! Let's go, man!
And there we have it, a quick, simple way of how to edit a track to fit your video. We've seen a lot of function coming down from After Effects, so there's no difference seeing something coming from Audition as well. It does also mean it helps you keep your edit, your workflow a little bit tidier. You're not having to open further projects in Audition and in After Effects to get some of the things you want done. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. And like I said before, there is a link to Artlist. If you want to go and check it out and check out some of the really cool music they've got, that's in the description. And we will see you in our next video.